Put your hands together. That's what we're talking about.
ये दबंग 4 के लिए था. So I think this is amazing. And I have known Ishan and Veer. In fact, Veer was named Veer after Veer, the film. Father Raju called me up and he said कि यार पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी लगी. तो ऐसे सिर्फ आप ही को अच्छी लगी इसलिए वो मैं अपने बेटे का नाम वीर रखना चाहता हूँ. Just kidding. जब तक वी रिलीज हुई ये ऑलरेडी बाहर थे और मोटरसाइकिल पर थे. So I've known these guys for the longest time. So I remember I was doing a film called Race और उसमें एक मोटरसाइकिल का सीक्वेंस था. So I got in touch with them. Remember that? And they came to teach me how to ride. I mean, I knew how to ride, so they were riding with me at the farm, and they also came to Thailand where we shot it. And ये थाईलैंड में मोटरसाइकिल से नहीं गिरे, लेकिन रात को एक दो बार ये गिर गया. Yeah, so you know, I've always been a rider, and hi baby, hi. I've always been a rider. Always liked when some cycle se leke motorcycle tak, and I really enjoy that. I can't do this often right now, but I still do ride at the farm. These guys have helped me make a track, so I ride on the track. अभी वो jumps नहीं करता मैं, because shooting पे भी जाना पड़ता है कि थोड़ा सा गिरा गया तो 3-4 महीने, you know, not be able to shoot. Yeah, पूरे safety gear वगैरह से. See, I live in Bandra, and ये जो highway जो है हमारा, ये जो हम लोग फिल्म सिटी थाना जिसमें जाते हैं. So there's these group of guys, lots of them, they ride bikes there, and for a little bit of money. And I myself have carried some 3-4 kids to the hospital. And इस highway पर बहुत सारी deaths हुई because of racing. They race on the roads and between cars. So I just think that if you need to race, we have this now. Come aboard and practice with us and race with us for a larger sum of money and with proper gear. I think that racing on the road is not only safe for you but for other people as well. So अब ऐसी कोई टीम थी ही नहीं, ऐसा कोई क्लब था ही नहीं. अभी आ गया है ये Indian Supercross Racing League. So a lot of people can, you know, now join us and start racing professionally. Correct? That. और क्या बोलूँ मैं? क्या? हाँ? और क्या बोलूँ बस ना? मेरा बाइक एक्सपीरियंस, मेरे बाइक एक्सपीरियंसेस बहुत हैं मेरे बाइक एक्सपीरियंसेस. और एक आध दो बार गिरा भी हूँ. अरे एक मैं आपको एक किस्सा सुनाता हूँ. So I thought my father was upset with me one day and he went to the farm. This is about time पहले की बात है. और मेरे पास उस वक्त एक हायाबुसा हुआ करती थी. So I said चलो, I have to go to the farm and apologize to him. So I rode there. Now while I was riding, I was not wearing a helmet and my cap was ulta and my cap flew. And I said, Bapre, this is not the way to ride at all. And then I rode very slowly at 35-40 kilometers an hour. And I reached the farm. I took a left turn and the bike skidded. And we went into the jungle. I tried to pick up the bike. I couldn't pick up the bike. Then my car came behind me. We all picked up the bike. Got the bike on the road again. Started riding again. Took a right turn and the bike skidded again. A lot of gravel there. Anyway, यहाँ से पूरा छिल गया था, pink हो गया था. So I went ahead. Went to see my father. He said, "अरे तुम इधर क्या कर रहे हो?" I said, no, I just thought that you were upset with me. He said, नहीं, मैं तो फार्म पे आ रहा था. तो I said, अच्छा, तुम आ गए यहाँ पे? क्या हुआ? I said, कुछ नहीं, वो बहुत सारा ग्रेवल था और स्किड हो गया मैं. तो इसे कितनी बार? इस तरह भी, इसे 2 बार. इसे तुमको बाइक चलाने आती नहीं है, तो तुम काय को चलाते हो यार? तो इसे लाओ, मेरी बाइक निकालो. So we got his Triumph 100, Tiger 100, and then he rode it, and then I took another bike, and me and my father went for a long ride in the night at the farm. So that was a really good experience that I had. वो heal होने में कुछ काफी time लगा. Thank God no bones were broken, but it was a good experience.
A memorable experience, sir.
And I remember one more experience is that when I learned how to ride a cycle. So my father got me a cycle for 25 paisa for an hour. Ka bhada. I must have been 4 or 5. So he was holding me. He was holding the seat, and he took me ahead. And I thought he was still holding me. And so we used to live in Old Kanpuri at that point in time. So there was a small patch. So I went ahead, I took a turn, I came back, and I saw him standing in front of me. I realized that, oh shit, he's not holding me. And I came right next to him and I fell. Because I thought that he was holding me, so that support was there. You know, that confidence of my father holding me was there. And I fell, and my father looked at me and said, देखो, चलाते रहो, उठो और चलाओ. तो एक पिलर का हाथ होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है आपके पीछे. वही आपको confidence देता है. Like what my father did for me.
Right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Salman Khan, of course, man with the stories. It is now time that I would want to request Veer and Ishan to present Salman Bhai with the ISRL official number plate, and I would request Bhai to please sign the number plate as well.
Forever 27.
The signed number plate, ladies and gentlemen. This is the ISRL official number plate, and it is now time to reveal the jersey that represents it all. Presenting the official ISRL jersey to Mr. Salman Khan. Let the flashbulbs crack as we unveil the official ISRL jersey. And I request everyone present to please put your hands together as we see the official ISRL jersey for the very first time.
हाँ तो स्वीटहार्ट एक बात बोलना भूल ही गया था मैं कि मैं इन दोनों अंकलों को ना बहुत टाइम पहले से जानता हूँ. जब इन्होंने ये लीग स्टार्ट किया था उस वक्त से जानता हूँ मैं. समझिए आप? यू अंडरस्टैंड? नहीं वहीं पर. व्हाट डिड यू गेट इट? बहुत टाइम पहले से जानता हूँ. पहले मैं देखा, मैंने इसको बोला कि स्टार्ट कर लो, अगर अच्छा चलता है तो मैं आ जाऊँगा. इन्होंने अच्छा करा दिया तो इसलिए मैं आया हूँ एज ब्रांड एम्बेसडर. अच्छा लिसन, हेलो, वन मोर थिंग आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू. इन्वेस्टर भी हो जाऊंगा मैं इसमें. यू वांट टू कम इन एज इन्वेस्टर विद मी? व्हाट?
I think this is a moment when the claps should be coming in. You know, everybody please put your hands together. Right, thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. But now we've seen the jersey. It is now time for us to see something really, really important. Now it's time to unveil what every fan, every rider, and every team will fight for. The official ISRL League trophy. This is not just metal, it's pride, glory, and the future of Indian motorsports. All the cameras over here. as we see the trophy unveiled. And here we go. Let's go. This is the trophy, ladies and gentlemen. All the teams, this is what you will be fighting for.
मोटरसाइकिल से तो हैवी ट्रॉफी है भाई, कौन उठा पाएगा?
A beautiful trophy, and one gentleman, just do one more time. If you can just stand over here. One more last picture with everybody. The trophy, Salman Khan, and the two pillars of the league, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together. Thank you everybody. Thank you, sir. Now request gentlemen to please